Today I'm gonna paint a box. Paint like this box. I'm gonna paint this box. So firstly I'll take this box and I'll highlight it right over here. I'll set it over here like cut here. With parents watching you or your guardian watching you, get this and start cutting this part. And in case, get your hot glue gun so you could put it over here just like this, so you don't poke your hand when you do that. If you, for example, this one, you might get hurt by these, unlike this one. So even though it doesn't really look pretty yet, I'll get some paint, open the box, take the paint out. Ooh, wonderful colors. And then I'll get paint brushes and anything that can be used to paint. Then you can start painting. For example, I'll use this purple, which is called ultramarine. You can use it and paint it, or if you want to do anything else, you can. I'm gonna keep this Candy Crazy, but if you don't want to, it's okay. I'm gonna cut it anyway because over here it says cut here. Over here it says over here, and I don't like that because I cut the other half right over here. I'll open it. Ooh, looks like a bit bluish, but it could work. It says ultramarine, I'm not sure what that means. Mix it up. Got the paintbrush next to me. Oh, it's not what I thought it was purple. It was blue, but I'll still paint with it anyways. It looks really awesome. I thought it was like purple. It is dark blue. You can use any box. Just use a box. And remember, we're making a book stand for all your books. Since I got small box, it's not really for books, but I can put other things in. But if your one is like big, you can put maybe very long books. Here maybe I can only put a notebook, a short notebook, a notepad or anything like that. Maybe a piece of paper. Paint yours however you like, and in the Facebook page, please tell me in the comments, show me the picture, the box that you've made out, and I might put it in a presentation all together in one nice video. Off your work to all the people who watch our channel. If it doesn't turn out perfect, that's fine, because my one didn't also turn out that perfect, like how I thought it would look, but it's homemade, so it's not really what you're supposed to think it looks like. Maybe your father has one as well. It doesn't have to be like how your father has it because he bought it. Or anyone you know has one. It doesn't have to be just like theirs because you made it and maybe they bought it. Just use any color. I'm using some dark blue right now. You can even mix some colors together. Make sure to wait for it to dry. after you're done so it doesn't make the whole workspace that you're using right now dirty. For example, I'm on a table, so I'll make it dry. Let it dry first. So this is how mine look like. This one, I'll get my cup right over here. I put some water in it. Just soak it in there. Good thing I have 2 boxes to keep me entertained. I'll close the lid for this one because I want to use a different color. It's okay if you got your hands ready, you can wash that up. You can also use to make spots. For example, I got this chopped stick right over here. I will use it to make dots if I want. And yeah, I'll keep my brush right over there while I choose a color I want. So I got this light blue right over here, but I don't think it can fit this. So maybe this pink right over here. I got white, green, red. I got this kind of gold, which is called yellow ochre. Just use any color you think it's nice. I think this pink will match this box, so I'll take this part first because this is the messy part. See? I'll get my brush, before I get my brush, I'll open the lid. Open. Here's my box, so I'll keep this in and start painting again. Guys, if you wanted like different colors in each side, you can. An extra tool I haven't mentioned that if you want to put it next to you is tissues in case like you got a piece, for example, I accidentally put over here pink and I want it to be blue. You can just swipe it off with that tissue that you brought. If you want, you can put a double layer. For example, now when I'm done my pink one, it's gonna dry up. My blue one might be already dried up and I could do another side of the box. Or you can make it decoration. I'm gonna use this light green. Open it. And over here, this position, I'm gonna paint it with the green because it's small, so it can fit the green. I'll just take my paintbrush and start painting that side. Now I am done with this part. I'll let it dry first. In your hands once you're done, or else your mom will be angry. I'm gonna close close the green. And I'll do the rest of the box. So now we've done. I got one right over here. It's not dry, it's not completely dry, but you can still catch it. Like that. And I got another one right over here. You can also decorate it with polka dots or whatever you like. You can also decorate it. That's what I'm talking about. For example, this space, I've decorated it with some dots. And don't worry if your hands get dirty. Go wash them before your mom sees. So bye, see you next time. Like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share with your friends and check out our Facebook page for more details. Now bye! Stay healthy and stay safe.